Legit ways to get paid to listen to music. Listening to music is fun, but do you know there are a few ways to get paid to listen to music? If you're surprised, so was I. Let me share a few examples of how to make money while listening to music. Before disclosing all this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get a notification every time we post a new video. Are you looking for ways to make easy money online? Well, luckily for you, you can get paid to listen to music. Imagine a side hustle that lets you make money listening to music. You can get paid to listen to Spotify or even the radio. Sounds like fun, doesn't it? However, it's not just about fun or making extra money. If you listen to music and get paid, you're gaining experience in the music industry. Those trying to make it in the music business may find this to be an excellent learning opportunity. But let's backtrack for a second. How exactly does one get paid to listen to music? Let's find out! Listening to your own playlists. You can make money by listening to your own playlists as long as you use the right apps. For instance, Nielsen is an excellent app to make money listening to music. Nielsen is involved in a lot of market research. If you download the app, you give Nielsen access to your musical activities. They will then compensate you for your participation in their research. Don't worry about privacy though. The app only monitors things like what streaming platforms you use, the kind of music you listen to, and what marketing schemes you respond to. Afterward, the app sells its findings to different companies, including music labels and music distributors. You can find the app on both Google Play and App Store. However, you can only earn up to $50 per year. While you do have chances to win bonus rewards throughout the year, the money isn't as high as other platforms. At the same time, if you're interested in a straightforward, hassle-free way to make some cash, you can try out the Nielsen app. Rate songs. Thirdly, multiple websites will pay you to rate music. Music X-Ray and Hit Predictor are the two safe and reliable options that pay you for rating songs. For both websites, you simply have to listen to songs. Hit Predictor focuses on new artists and musical compositions. You get to rate songs by up-and-coming bands and singers. Each time you rate a song, you earn points. When you reach a certain number of points, you can exchange the points for different things like money, prizes like concert tickets or backstage passes, Amazon or Xbox gift cards, CDs, DVDs. On the other hand, Music X-Ray has songs from all genres, so you can pick the ones you want to listen to. You will also get notified whenever a song from your selected genre pops up. With Music X-Ray, if you listen to a song for 30 seconds, you earn 10 cents. If you listen to the entire song, you can make $1. Gradually, these payouts accumulate, and you can earn around $100 to $200 per month. Participate in focus groups. As mentioned, many online platforms pay you to participate in music research. Nielsen does this by monitoring your activities. However, websites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks do this by conducting focus group discussions. Even Music X-Ray has extensive focus group discussions on its song categories. What are focus groups? Well, think of them as a group conversation. You chat with people with similar musical tastes and discuss the songs you are listening to. There will be a moderator in the group chat guiding the discussion. The moderator will ask everyone specific questions. You just have to share your thoughts on the questions. Focus groups pay more than other forms of participatory research. If you're looking for more money, join as many focus groups as you can. Complete paid surveys. Apart from focus groups, you can also complete online surveys. Websites and apps like LifePoints, Pinecone Research, and Inbox Dollars conduct surveys related to new songs and artists. With these websites, you can earn up to $350 per month. All you have to do is listen to songs or watch videos and complete survey panels about them. The websites will regularly email you different surveys. Therefore, you just have to keep a regular eye on your inbox to avail yourself of these paid opportunities. Inbox Dollars is another top money-making app that can yield quick cash for little work. Listen to certain radio stations. You can also get paid to listen to radio stations. A lot of online music companies have affiliations with online radio stations. Earnably, for example, is affiliated with Radio Loyalty, an online radio station. The payment system works in points. You have to accumulate points to get paid. Moreover, Earnably has multiple cash incentives throughout the month, offering you money to tune into specific radio programs. Fusion Cash is a similar online forum where you can listen to music on the radio. Every 2 weeks, you make a minimum of $25. Transcribe lyrics. You can find multiple online transcription jobs that include lyrics transcription. If you use an iPhone, you can transcribe lyrics for apps like WeLocalize and earn around $4 per transcription. Although WeLocalize is a popular transcription service, it is only compatible with iOS users as its music database is on iTunes. To join their team of transcriptionists, you should download the app and make an account. Then, watch the introduction video to get started. You can pick your genre preferences and only listen to songs you like. Listening to music without skipping ads. Everyone hates ads. They disturb the momentum of a song or video, ruining the listening experience. However, if you knew you could make money by watching ads, would you still skip them? The answer is no for sure. In the music business, there aren't many opportunities to earn money by watching ads. However, online services like Radio Earn pay listeners a slight portion of their ad revenues to generate buzz. This was it, guys, for today's video. We are gonna upload a lot of content related to making money online, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified for future updates. Also, comment us the topic you want us to cover in the upcoming videos. Cheers!